Okay, welcome to an overview of my final project, the ACGN database platform. I have developed a backend API for this website that allows user to rate and categorize the anime, comics, games, and novels, collectively known as ACGN. Uh, and my platform is designed to provide a detailed categorization to enhance our users' experience. For the backend, we choose Django as our framework, which is known for its repeat development capabilities, coupled with third-party library like the Django REST framework and the Django filter. Its advantage is that it very quickly and with less code and write a website. However, one of the limited is that the Django didn't support asynchronous until the version 4. So many third-party libraries include the DIF, which is still only support the synchronous operation. So Django's asynchronous support isn't really that good. Despite that, for the initial state of our project, the performance actually is enough. So in the future, maybe I would rewrite this project with Golang for enhanced performance. But now the Python, the Django is actually enough. So the Django framework divides the project into 3 layers. First is the model layer, which is for the model and actually the database, and then the view layer. Second is the template layer, which is a website page with also HTML, CSS, and JavaScript things. Since our project is only concerned with the development of the application program interface, so we are only concerned with the model layer and the view layer, 2 layers. And with the Django REST framework, we can handle the transformation between these 2 layers with the serialization and deserialization to build a RESTful API. So next, let's talk about the model layer first. Our project is organized into 7 distinct Django applications. You can here the 7 applications. First is the service, which is the top level of our system, reference the IP service, which it contains the related anime, comics, games, and novels, which under the same IP. And then is a ACGN application. The ACGN application hosts 4 key tables. The anime table, the comic table, the game table, and the novel table. The 4 tables centralize our platform's functionality. These models are the core of our content categorization system. And then is the character model. The character models include the character tables for storing information about the characters in various works. As here, there are many fields to the anime, comic, games, and novels. And then is the staff, company and staff. It contains 2 tables, the company tables and the person table, to detailing the company and the person behind the creation of ACGN contents. You can see here is the join table for the anime company, anime staff. And then is our review and discussion system. The review system introduced short review, long review, alongside our formal posting system. Here is our rich user interactions through the detailed review and discussion system. First is the short review. The short review allows the user to post a review without option for others to replay. Also, it can capture the user's review state for work. There are 5 watch states. We want to see wanted to watch post and drop the file state. And in construct, the long review support replies from other users. They can encourage more in-depth discussion. And each long review interface can be commented by other users. And it also supports a list comment. And more our platform hosts a discussion thread feature, which user can initial threads on various topics related to our content. And it's similar to the long review. It supports a thread comment. Also, it can support a list comment to the comment itself. And then there was the tag system. The tag system is the core of our categorization. We can divide it by the type, different types. And then and after performing the database migration, the result of our database will be like this. Will be like this. Here is all our tables in the database. It may be seem a bit too complex at first glance and very in mind. To address this, I draw a diagram to simplify the database structure and make it more clearly. This diagram omits the most joint tables and to streamline the visualization. Okay. At the center of the diagram, you can see the core ACG entities, the anime, comic, games, and novel, and also the tag system. And to the left, you can see here is a person, company, and the characters in our works. And also here is the voice actors between the person and actor, and here is a joint table. And to the right side is our review system. The review system can relate to the 4K tables here. Okay, so a point to note is that for development, our option for MyCircle to leverage is robust feature. However, to simplify the review process, the GitHub version will run on the Circlite, because if we run the MyCircle, it needs your computer first install the MyCircle store, and then maybe the port will be different, so it will raise some problem. To address this, so we will run on the Circlite. You can just on the Circlite. And in the Circlite, we will have a few data to show how the API works. And you can easily start the server by run this command. Okay, here you can see there's information for the index page, the side, the admin, API also, and API. First, we can use the admin. Go to the admin page. And for test, we have already created an administrator account. His name is Cloud, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, okay. So here is a user management. You can see here is already our administrator account. Also, we can create another account by the GUI interface. GUI. Also, we can use you get the API with here with the API. And then is our API page. Okay, here is the API page. You will see here are many different API endpoints. So let's take a closer look at one of them to demonstrate how the API factories work data interaction. Oh, which one is okay? Here first we can see here is the element list. You can see here is for the serialization. There are two different type for element. First is the list. It will return list. It's here. A return list for the, all elements. And then is the element details. Here, element details. We can see one of them, the detail of one element entity. And for the element list, we can allow the get and post option. Get and post method. And here, we can get all the elements, and then we can do the post to create a new entity. That's the test. That's the test. Select the language and a different type, maybe it's a movie. Okay, let's leave the serial size now. Oh no, no, it cannot be all 0. Okay, of course. Yeah. So here we can see the new test anime, which are supposed are here. Also, we can go into the element detail here. Or as here it allows get, put, patch, and delete. Get also is the get is get the all the data, and put is change the all the data, and patch for the partially change of our elements data, and also the delete. You can see here delete just delete it. Okay, found. Okay, no, it's delete now. Also here is let's see the relation. Here is the relation table, join table. Join table. We can select the element one, relate one, and type one. And both. Now it's now the element one will have the type which is type one, and also we can also the short review. Let's see. Oh, long review. Here's long review is long review. Review comment. A review comment. You can see here. We can suppose a comment and also suppose a list comment. Now we can reply to the comment to reply long review. We select long review object one, and then we choose to reply the comment. Yeah. Okay, you can see there is a list for the comment one. So it can suppose the infinity list comment. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching.